Hi. Today we are going to do SQL Server 2012 Fundamentals tutorial. This is part 2 of the tutorial I gave the last time. Let's open SQL Server 2012. The first command I am going to show you is create database. This command automatically creates a new database with default settings. Let's test it out. Press F5 to refresh the tree, and there you see the database we call myTestDB. Next we are going to create a new table, test table. Of course you can name it whatever you like. The command is simply create table like create database we used before. We have these 4 columns that we have defined here. There's the identity that will automatically generate sequential numbers for the user ID field. We declare it as not null and set it as primary key. Primary key, not null, etc. are called constraints that I will elaborate in my next tutorial. Let's check out how the generated table looks. See, the columns have been correctly generated with all the constraints defined. Now that we have the table with all the fields required, let's learn how to modify this table. To modify, we use the alter table SQL command. Notice we changed the size of the email field from 30 to 50 characters. Let's run it and find out the result. Okay, so that worked. This alter table command can also be used to add more columns to an existing table. Let's add a field called phone to test table. Let's add some useless data to our table to test the next command. We can delete a table using drop table command. We recreate the table test table and enter dummy data into it before we go to the next one. Now we will see how to create a view. A view is simply a dynamically generated table based on selected columns that we want to see from any table or tables. It is always updated because it simply displays the fields from the table. To create a view, use create view SQL command. Data from a view can be displayed using similar command as for a table. Use select command with desired column names to display a view. To delete a view, we can use drop view command that is similar to the drop table command we saw earlier. To check if the view was deleted, let's run a select command on it. An error means it was not found and it has been deleted successfully. This was all for this tutorial. Please subscribe to Exit Video Network if you like this. Thank you for watching.